If you sometimes feel nervous when you speak English, you are not alone. Many learners feel the same way. You may know the words, but your speech still feels stiff or unsure. That is completely normal, and today I want to help you feel more relaxed and confident. In this video, you will learn simple ways to sound more natural when speaking English. Not perfect, just natural, the way real people speak every day. Small changes can make a big difference, and you can start using them right after this video. Let us begin with something very common. Many learners try to speak in full, perfect sentences all the time. This can slow you down and make you feel stressed. Native speakers do not speak like that. They often use short sentences. Sometimes they even drop words. For example, instead of saying, "I am going to the store because I need to buy some food," people often say, "I'm going to the store, need to buy some food." This sounds natural and relaxed. You do not need long sentences to sound fluent. Short and clear is good. Now, let us talk about contractions. This is a big one. Learners often say, "I am," "you are," "they have," because it feels correct. But in daily speech, native speakers usually say, "I'm," "you're," "they've." For example, instead of saying, "I am ready to start," say, "I'm ready to start." Instead of, "She is not coming today," say, "She isn't coming today." Using contractions helps your speech flow better and sound more natural. Another helpful habit is using soft, common phrases when you speak. Learners sometimes sound too direct without meaning to. For example, saying, "Give me the file" is correct, but it sounds strong. A more natural way is, "Can you give me the file?" Or even softer, "Could you give me the file?" Small words like can, could, and just make your English sound friendly and polite. For example, "I just wanted to ask a question." This feels calm and natural. Let us slow down for a moment. Pauses are important. Many learners think they must speak fast to sound fluent. That is not true. Native speakers pause often. They think while speaking. You can pause too. It is okay to stop for a second and continue. For example, you can say, "I think this idea could work." That pause sounds natural, not weak. Speaking calmly is better than speaking fast. Now think about how you react in conversations. Learners often say the same words again and again, like yes or okay. Native speakers use variety. They say things like, "That makes sense," "I see," "Right," or "I think so." These small responses make conversations feel real. For example, instead of always saying yes, you can say, "Yeah, that sounds good," or "I think so." This helps you sound more natural without extra effort. Another common problem is translating from your first language in your head. This can make your sentences sound unusual. Try to learn and use full phrases instead of single words. For example, learn phrases like, "by the way," "to be honest," or "it depends." These are very common in spoken English. When you use ready-made phrases, your speech becomes smoother and more confident. Do not worry about your accent. An accent is not a problem. Clarity is what matters. Speak clearly, speak calmly. Most people care about understanding you, not judging you. Even native speakers make mistakes. What matters is communication. Before we finish, remember this. You do not need perfect grammar to sound natural. You need comfort, practice, and simple habits. Use short sentences. Use contractions. Pause when you need to. Use soft, common phrases. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. You are improving every time you speak. Confidence grows step by step. Keep practicing and trust the process. If this video helped you, please like it and share it with someone who is learning English. And subscribe to Instant English Tips for more simple, practical help to speak English with confidence.